welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to download and install apps from Google in iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings. You want to click on screen time, content and privacy restrictions. Enable this. Click on iTunes and App Store purchases. You want to allow the installing apps, deleting apps in-app purchases, and you want to choose always require. Okay, so once you've done that, just go ahead and open your Google Chrome. Okay, so now just go ahead and search for the app that you want to download right here. So just go ahead and click on the download right here. So click on install. Okay, so I'm sorry about that one. So now just go ahead and install the Snapchat on your device or any application that you want to install on your device using the Google. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.